And what them have over here, so? Welcome, like, say, I'll need to work on 9 night a lie. Jesus Christ, what's chocolate tea? May I come back for one of this? No. Good morning, guys. Here too. Here at breakfast, everything. Yes, I got it done. You know, say, chicken liver. You see a little bit of steam, which is good. But then we let up. Steam bellies that we color out the yam, the toughest it is. I'm going to do that again. Kind of dry as well, so we're not just again them up more than premium, so yam fritters that color pak choy, them just like steamed vegetable, look like it have color going on pak choy, vegetable fritters. Thank you. Chicken, definitely. I see the steam. I go through this better than yesterday, I guess. So that's a good thing. Take a look at this. Oh, they have piece of pumpkin. No bad. Another put that pumpkin. Pumpkin I need it. Pumpkin I need it. I'm not really pull up my belly too much today because we are going night town. So I'm going to food in a day. Yeah, man. So I kind of look forward to that right now. And I just kind of like to get something to, you know, start off the road. But this apartment, like, they do have like all the natural juices and stuff, which is great. Expiation with the omelette and all of them something. Apples, fruits, cornflakes, just like yesterday. Make me some kind of version of this morning. Yesterday they done family porridge and never did bad. Ooh, Jesus, so much chocolate tea, guys. Banana bread. Banana cake. Marble cake, that's nice. And that's it. Right now I'm kind of skeptic. You know, I never try the food. If it is too my liking, you know, temperature wise and taste, then we might make another trip. But yesterday we kind of learned my lesson. We pack up all these things and, you know, to honor to come. Let us go and proceed and see what happens. I got peanut punch, you can see. Take like a walk. Yeah. Wow.
Get away. Position yourself here, away from the wave, and the wave throws you.
Oh wow. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Amazing. Right? And I'll come back and get some of that. the other ones?
I ate a lot of pineapple, so the left side of my tongue hurts.
Oh,
It was worth it.
of course it was.
Good. I love pineapple so much, Tami. You have no idea.
I wish they had mangoes. I know it's your favorite.
Mango, mango, mango. Oh, I don't know why I didn't have mango. Maybe because it isn't mango season. Who cares? I will eat an unripe mango.
You normally do at home. I'm like, boy, wait till it's ripe. Hey guys, so now we are at the Asian restaurant and I love papaya. Gosh, I haven't seen this in so long. And I feel like I'm probably going to take a palette right now because I love papaya so much. Imagine me go in a town today and we'll get to go to eat it apple from here can up and look here there so a stone dog. You can imagine? If you didn't know but it's fine. Let's see what else I got. They got soup. Like a Asian kind of soup kind of thing. Okay. No. Whatever this is, yes. Till I show when I come out of it, I'm still in a water. Understand. How's this? I don't know how I understand.
You like the soup?